Welcome to Sangram tutorial. 1. What is Java? Answer. Java is a high-level, object-oriented programming language that is designed to run on various platforms without the need for recompilation. It is known for its simplicity, portability, and robustness. What are the main features of Java? Answer. The main features of Java include object-oriented. Java supports the concepts of classes and objects. Platform independence. Java programs can run on different platforms without modification. Memory management. Java uses automatic garbage collection to manage memory. Exception handling. Java provides robust exception handling mechanisms. Multithreading. Java supports concurrent programming through its multi-threading capabilities. 2. What is the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM? Answer. JDK, Java Development Kit. It is a software development environment that includes tools for developing, compiling, and debugging Java applications. It contains JRE as well. JRE, Java Runtime Environment. It is the runtime environment that is required to run Java applications. It includes the JVM and core libraries. JVM, Java Virtual Machine. It is an execution environment that interprets and executes Java bytecode. It provides platform independence by running the bytecode on different platforms. 3. What are the different types of variables in Java? Answer. In Java, there are 3 types of variables. Local variables. Variables defined within a method or a block. Instance variables. Variables declared within a class but outside any method. Each instance of the class has its own copy of instance variables. Static variables. Variables declared with the static keyword. They are shared among all instances of the class. 4. What is the difference between a class and an object? Answer. A class is a blueprint or template for creating objects. It defines the properties and behaviors that an object of that class will have. An object, on the other hand, is an instance of a class. It represents a specific entity and can have its own state and behavior. 5. What is the difference between an abstract class and an interface? Answer. An abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated and can have both abstract and non-abstract methods. It can also have instance variables. An interface, on the other hand, is a collection of abstract methods that a class can implement. It provides a way to achieve multiple inheritance in Java. 6. What is the difference between method overloading and method overriding? Answer. Method overloading. It allows a class to have multiple methods with the same name but different parameters. The methods must have different method signatures. Method overriding. It occurs when a subclass provides its own implementation of a method that is already defined in its superclass. The method signatures must be the same. 7. What is a constructor in Java? Answer. A constructor is a special method that is used to initialize objects. It has the same name as the class and does not have a return type. Constructors are called automatically when an object is created. 8. What is the difference between checked and unchecked exceptions in Java? Answer. Checked exceptions are checked at compile time and must be handled using a try-catch block or declared in the method signature using the throws keyword. Examples include IO exception and SQL exception. Unchecked exceptions, also known as runtime exceptions, do not need to be explicitly handled. Examples include null pointer exception and array index out of bounds exception. 9. What is the difference between ArrayList and linked list? Answer. ArrayList and linked list are both implementations of the list interface, but they have different characteristics. ArrayList provides fast element access and is suitable for random access and iteration. Linked list provides efficient insertion and removal of elements at the beginning or end of the list. Here's an example. ArrayList equals new ArrayList. ArrayList.add, Java. ArrayList.add, Python. Linked list equals new linked list less than greater than. Linked list.add, C++. Linked list.add, Ruby. 10. What is the difference between equals and equals in Java? Answer. The equals method is used to compare the content or values of two objects, while the equals operator checks for reference equality. Example: string str1 equals new string, hello. String str2 equals new string, hello. System.out, println, str1, equals, str2, true. System.out, println, str1 equals str2, false. 11. Explain the concept of method overloading with an example. Answer. Method overloading allows a class to have multiple methods with the same name but different parameters. The compiler determines which method to call based on the number, types, and order of the parameters. Example: public class calculator, public int add, int a, int b. Return a plus b. Public double add, double a, double b. Return a plus b. 12. What is the final keyword in Java? How is it used? Answer. The final keyword is used to restrict the modification of classes, methods, and variables. A final class cannot be subclassed, a final method cannot be overridden, and a final variable cannot be reassigned after initialization. Example: public final class circle, private final double radius. Public circle, double radius. This radius equals radius. Public double get area. Return math. Pi radius asterisk radius. 13. What is the difference between abstract class and interface? Answer. An abstract class can have both abstract and non-abstract methods, while an interface can only have abstract methods. A class can implement multiple interfaces, but it can only inherit from a single abstract class. Example: public interface drawable. Void draw. Public abstract class shape. Public abstract double get area. These are just a few examples of Java interview questions with answers and examples. It's important to study and understand the concepts thoroughly and practice writing code to reinforce your understanding. Thanks for watching.